Buenos días, estudiantes. Hoy es viernes, el 17 de abril. Vamos a rezar. En el nombre del Padre, y el Hijo, y el Espíritu Santo. Amén. Dios, concédame la serenidad para aceptar las cosas que no puedo cambiar, valor para cambiar aquellas que puedo, y sabiduría para reconocer la diferencia. Amén. En el nombre del Padre, y el Hijo, y el Espíritu Santo. Amén. Hola. Hola, Paco. Today we're going to review quickly E to IE stem changing verbs. We've been working on these, but I want to just go over some of the rules. First of all, what is the nickname for stem changing verbs? Hopefully all of you said boot verbs. And why do we call them boot verbs? We call them boot verbs because everything inside of the boot stem changes. And everything outside of the boot does not stem change. The verb that I'm picking today to stem change with you is entender. Does anybody know what entender means? It means to understand. The reason I pick entender is because it has a lot of e's in it. And sometimes verbs that stem change E to IE and have a lot of e's can get a little tricky on how to do it. So I want to teach you the rule to know which E to stem change. Whenever you're going to stem change an E in an E to IE stem changing verb, you always stem change the E that is closest to the ER ending in the infinitive. So this one will not change because it is not closer to the ER ending. This one is. So you want to say, I understand. You're going to say yo, and then you're going to take the E closest to ER, change it to IE, and then add your regular present tense ending. Yo entiendo. Let me bring the chart a little closer for you. Okay, so let's keep going. You understand. Tú, and go to the E closest to the ER ending, entiende, and then add your regular ES ending for tú. Entiendes. For he understands, she understands, él, ella, and you formal, usted, understands, is él entiende. Remember, the E closest to the ending is the one that's going to stem change. Regular ending. Now we're outside of the verb on we. So we're not going to stem change in the we form. So we're going to go back to the infinitive and look at what the infinitive is and keep that. Entendemos. It's an ER ending, so the ending is emos. Nosotros entendemos. We don't do vosotros, but if we did do vosotros, it's outside of the stem, outside of the boot, so it does not stem change. And then the last one, now we're back inside the boot. They masculine, ellos, feminine, ellas, and you guys, ustedes, it's going to stem change, entienden. And that's how you conjugate E to IE stem changing verbs with a lot of ease. Let's practice one more It has a lot of E's. Preferir, but it's an IR verb. It has two E's and an I. And the rule is you stem change the E closest to what? Closest to the I-R-E-R-A-R ending. So if you were going to say I prefer, you would say change that E, fiero. And change this E because it's not closest to the IR. Yo prefiero. Yo is optional. Okay, and then if you're going to do we prefer, since you know that we does not stem change, you will say nosotros. Always go back to the infinitive. Sorry, here. Go back to the infinitive and keep it like the infinitive. Preferimos, because this is an IR verb, so the ending has to be imos. Remember, ER verbs and we end in emos. IR verbs end in imos. And that is it for E to IE stem changing verbs. I hope you have a great weekend. Adios. I hope this helps you do your work today.